Hey everyone, welcome to episode 2 of the trading challenge of 1,000 CRO to 100,000 CRO. In this video, we're going over how far we've come along in this challenge so far, trades that we've done, and some plans moving forward. And if you're new to this channel, my name's Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm on a journey to 10K a month of passive income, and I want you to join me on this journey. Let's go. We're gonna be diving right into a spreadsheet that I created for this challenge so that it's easier for people to follow. And as you can see, we are currently sitting at 1,176.37 CRO. So we're currently up about 18% since starting. Now this does take into account an additional $10 that we buy in each week whenever we think is the best time. And this doesn't seem like much, but it will definitely help us get to 100,000 CRO a lot faster. I created this spreadsheet that breaks down all the trades that we've done so far. This also will show you the current trades that are open right here on the right side, and a Satoshi reference, because we are doing some trades with CRO against Bitcoin. And then below that, we can see how much CRO we've made from the trades that we've done. We've made 26 CRO so far. We've had probably about 12 to 15 trades go through from buys and sells since we started, and then have just bought more. And the amount of CRO that we're holding will fluctuate because we're hitting sell orders, and then we have to wait for our buy order to hit. So we've made about 26 CRO from the trades that we've done so far. And since we are starting very small, this is a great accomplishment. And we're also doing trades with about 20 to 25 CRO each trade. So a 10% trade will earn us about 2 to 2.5 CRO. So that means we've done over 10 trades that have been successful. And even some of the trades we might have closed out for 7% or so it's even more. Now if you want to follow this series, you can check out my Patreon down below, and in order to catch up, you'd need to buy 1,176 CRO, and then you'd need to set up all these orders that we have here. Now moving forward with this challenge, I have confidence it will be an exponential challenge as we get more CRO. Once we get to like 2,000 CRO, I'll be doing orders with 40 to 50 CRO, so each trade will make us about 4 to 5 CRO at least. And let's just say that we average about 10 trades a month. Once we're making 10 to 20 CRO a trade, that'd be 100 to 200 CRO a month. With the added $10 a week, that will get us even more CRO to set up additional trades. And this will all be exponential. As we get to 5,000 CRO, 10,000, 15,000, we'll be able to do more trades and have more in each trade. And we get to the point where we could be making 50 to 100 CRO per trade. And if we're doing 10 a month, then that would be 500 to 1,000 CRO in a month. If it also continues on a downtrend like we've been seeing with the market crash recently, then we'll be able to pick up more with our $10 each week, and we'll be able to set up more buy opportunities. So every time we buy $10 more, like at 35 cents right now, if we were to buy $10 more, that would get us almost 30 CRO, and that's a whole new sell order that we can place. So we can place a sell at like 40 cents and then rebuy at 35 and make 10 to 15% on it. And that's the goal, is we want to just keep doing those little trades that will build up the portfolio and build up the amount that we have. And we're also being aggressive with our trades in this challenge, but we don't want to sell too much at once. If it were to never come back down to one of our buy orders, it wouldn't matter much because we didn't sell too much. A few trades could make that amount back. Do you guys think we should trade with a larger amount of CRO per trade, or do you like this amount? Let me know in the comments. The way I set this up is we have 40 to 50 trades that we could hit before we ran out of CRO. So with it going up 10% each time, that would be 400 to 500% increase if we didn't compound each 10% trade. So for an example, it would mean I have a sell order every 3.5 to 4 cents from here. But then if we compound it, we wouldn't sell out until about 4,500% or a 45x return. So that means we had a lot of trades in between before we reach that point. So this gives us a lot of room to continue to grow and continue to trade. And I think this will be just a perfect combination of buying a little bit every single week, adding to that position so we can get to 100,000 CRO. If you found this video helpful, drop a like down below and let me know how you're doing with the CRO challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.